Hello, welcome back to question number 13. Today we're going to do an easy question, which is valid parenthesis. So given a string contains s containing just the characters of different types of brackets, we want to determine whether or not the input string is valid. So right now our question is, what does it mean to be valid, right? Open brackets must be closed, okay? Yep. And then open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket is a corresponding open bracket of the same type. Okay? Okay. So if I open this first, I must close this, right? I cannot open this. I cannot have open, open, and close, right? And yeah, so this basically is false. If any of this moves in front, it is not. Okay, I think I got it. So essentially, when we look at this question, what we are looking at is, let's just put it like that, and then again, once again, let's do this. Alright, and then we have a pointer, and if we have a pointer here, we have a next pointer, and somehow or another, I mean, this question should be a stack question. Since I'm following this, then I have an advantage of knowing what topic this is. So let's just think of how we can implement and solve this using a stack. Probably what we're looking at is, when we look at this, we want to have open brackets, closed brackets. We want to push this onto the stack. And then every time this comes out, we want to we probably can use a list in Python to implement a stack, but let's think about it. Okay, yeah, say we have a list, right? We have a stack, and then if C okay, so first up we want to see whether or not the stack is empty. If the stack is not empty, right, what we want to say is, if the stack is not empty, the stack at all times, it will only have one item, right? One item, and then we will pop it out immediately. So it might be like that, right? Or it will either have this or this. It will have open bracket, right? So at any time the stack can only have a open bracket. It's not empty, pop and compare. If stack is empty, push, right? So let's just go ahead and we want to break out of the loop and look at the next one, right? Else the stack of the length of the stack is not, so we want to see, right? Open equals to stack dot, we want to pop the first one, right? So we want to see these, right? And then we want to see if open equals to this, then we want to say C is closed, right? So let's just go make this more clear, and then we have close here, close, like that, right? Close equals this. If it is this, yes. If it's not, no. Right? And then just repeat this essentially. And once we have this should be a pretty straightforward solution. The constant space of O1, I guess you could say that this stack will only have a maximum length of 1, so this is a constant space solution. And then the time complexity will be a simple 1 pass solution, so it's ON since we traverse through the entire array once. Yeah, I guess this is a pretty easy question as noted. Let's just take a look at the entire thing. We are going through this string for character in the string. If length of stack is 0, we want to append C. So we append first, we append this, right? And then we continue, we go out the loop, we go to the next character in C, right? Which is this. And then we immediately come open equals to stack. The length of stack is not 0, right? We want to pop and we get open. Open equals to this. We want to check close. Close is this. Close equals to this. Returns true. And then wait. Nope, we cannot return this here right away, right? Right? Open, close, open, close, open, close. And then if everything is done, then we return true. Yep. Can we use single quotes in? Yeah, I guess so. No. Corresponding thing closed in the correct order. Ah, okay. So it's not just like that. I mean, this is too simple. This is stupid. Okay, this is awkward. Should I ran it right away? Yeah, we still wanna go on this, but you can see, and then we wanna check. Okay, so essentially we want to run the entire algorithm with this. Okay, so we have stack 1. Okay, stack 1, stack 2, and stack 3, right? Let's say we're given this, right? Let's say we're given this, right? We wanna be able to put in stack 1. Wait, so what about this? Is this even valid? Let's check this. Check this console test case plus this. So this is valid as long as it closes. Okay, I think my bad. I didn't clarify the issue. So as long as we have this, right? As long as each one has a, yeah, it's just straightforward, right? We have this if length of stack 0, stack.openc. Let's just do this quickly. I'm not really very interested in explaining, since this is quite an easy question. I should not have messed